Hi, my name is Jalen Event, here to talk about Under Armour can increase its revenue. Currently, the company is sitting at $5 billion, with the majority of the revenue coming from different sportswear, apparel, footwear, and accessories. The goal of the company is to reach $10 million in revenue in the next few years. The decision I made to achieve this goal is to extend the sportswear brand into the fashion industry. A lot of different sportswear brands have tried their hand in the fashion industry with success. I feel like Under Armour has all the resources it needs to follow suit and be successful in this industry and be even more successful than our competitors. Reasons why I chose this is because it opens up a new line of products for the company. It'd be a whole new fashion line that comes out for Under Armour. It's something new for people to buy, something more fashionable for people to buy than our regular sportswear apparel. It opens up an added source of revenue. Like I previously stated, most of the revenue comes from sportswear apparel, footwear, and accessories. If you give something more fashionable, more stylish, it'll give you an extra revenue outside of the actual sportswear revenue. And it gives the brand the sense of being cool. If you think about Under Armour, the person that probably comes to mind is Stephen Curry. Now, Stephen Curry's shoes are more popular with little kids who want to be like Stephen Curry, see him as a great basketball player, etc., etc. But when you get to like the teenagers, the people in their 20s, people in their 30s, they're not really wearing Stephen Curry's just because they like him as a basketball player. So this will give the line, Under Armour, a line of things that would be more fashionable to people and make people want to wear Under Armour outside of the sportswear world. Reason like I said, that obviously we have success in this is because other sportswear companies have had major success in this. To be exact, Nike and Adidas have probably had the most success out of all the sportswear companies in this fashion industry. Nike itself is projected to make $50 billion in fashion sales by 2022. They're making $50 billion just from fashion sales, and our goal is $10 billion. I feel like we will way surpass our goal, and we actually hit the ground running with this thing and find our niche into the fashion industry. One of the reasons they have found this success is because they have partnered with different famous designers, different celebrities, different athletes, and things like that. For example, Adidas has partnered with Kanye. The Yeezy brand is a big draw to their company. They also partnered with Pharrell, who also brings a lot of money into their company. Nike has partnered with famous designer Virgil Abloh, who created the Off-White brand for their company, who has brought in a ton of revenue through that streaming. So it's all about who we partner with, who we have success with, who we bring in, who is the face of some of these fashion lines that we're going to unveil. The way we get into this, I feel like we started with New York fashion. It's one of the biggest weeks of fashion every year. We start with designers. We all know the UAS brand that we unveiled a few years ago with Tim Coppens. Didn't capitalize on that one. I feel like we can have more success if we hire multiple designers from multiple different companies and things like that. To keep control of these designers, we would hire a lead designer who would have staff under him, so there's a proper hierarchy. So we have different collaborative ideas from some of the greatest fashion designers around the world. That will lead to better success and better products placement. One of the people we can capitalize off of is A$AP Rocky, who's a hip hop star. And most people know him as a fashion icon throughout the world. Our partnership with him, he just released his shoe last year. We should have done a better job of getting the word about that out, increasing sales about that. But he would be one of the perfect faces for our New York Fashion Week to get our brand out there, get new things out there. Like I stated earlier, Stephen Curry is like our main sports face. Tom Brady is another. Neither of those are like fashion icons of any sort. Trying to go out there and find a new NBA, NFL star to represent our company in the fashion sense, not just their play on the field or on the court, but as a fashion icon in the world of sports. So in conclusion, as long as we hold to our standards, go out there, collaborate with the right group of people, the right group of celebrity designers, the right group of famous pop stars, rap stars, hip hop stars, right athletes and things like that, we will bring together a great product and we can have success like our competitors, and I feel like eventually surpass them in fashion sales. Thank you for your time.